Hi Albert, it's great to speak with you again. Thank you very much for your submission. I hope you enjoyed Island 2. On this island you learned about verbs for activities such as watch TV, play tennis, read a book, go for a walk. We also looked at vocabulary of sports such as snowboarding, badminton, table tennis. We also looked at the pronunciation of the vowel sound in the words cat, gate, my, we, go, on, in. And we also looked at punctuation, including capital letters, full stop, comma, and apostrophe. Now the writing mission was to write about a sport you are interested in, and to make sure you spell the words correctly and use suitable punctuation. So let's take a look at your work. First, let's look at your punctuation. I was very impressed with your use of capital letters at the start of sentences. And you can see here, all your sentences start very well with a capital letter. Also, very happy to see your use of the full stop at the end of sentences. Excellent work. Now I see you also use the apostrophe in two different ways. I notice you use the apostrophe to show possessive. For example, you said the skis poles. This is very good. You also mentioned ice hockey poles. Very good use of the apostrophe. And I also notice you use the apostrophe to show the contracted form in the word don't. Excellent work. Now, let's take a look at how you described skiing. Now, be very careful. You actually said the word ski. Now, don't forget the sport is actually called skiing, so you need ing. I like the way you said skiing is your favourite sport. This is an excellent way to start your description. And I especially like the way you discuss the equipment and what it does. You mentioned bindings on your feet. Now be very careful. Bindings are on your feet rather than in. I also like the way you compared ice hockey with skiing. I think that was an excellent idea, especially how you describe how the poles are different. I also like very much your use of verbs. For example, you say we use poles. And poles look different. You talked about the verb slip, and of course you used the word protect on a number of occasions. You even mentioned freeze. Excellent use of verbs, well done. Now, I also like the way you described how ski goggles protects your eyes from the wind. Well done. Now just be very careful. I noticed, for example, like you said, skis poles are like a hat. And when you talked about snowboard, you should say to help. Albert, thank you very much for this work. It's excellent work. I thoroughly enjoyed reading about skiing, and I look forward to speaking with you again on Island 3. Bye-bye.